Assalamu alaikum friends. I shall tell you all about the electrical things, how much need current for the starting. You saw big stabilizer and you not see never small stabilizer. Today I tell you small stabilizer that automatic control current for everything. First of all, see the iron. He needs to 201 volt and fan need almost 205 volt to start the fan. And next we see the electrical part. As we speed up fan, he needs more volt and washing machine needs 203 volt current for the starting the and torch light needs and look the LCD needs and gauge needs almost see the current on the automatic small stabilizers. He needs almost 203 volt to start the machines and big machines needs almost see the on stabilizer 201 volt to need start it and see the water pump how much he needs volt to start on. He takes a few minutes for starting 205 6 almost volt needs to start. Look, he started. And next we on computer starting the LCD CPU. He needs almost 207 volt. Never start every electrical things. First of all, see the volts on main and TP. Then everything use. He takes a few minutes because stabilizer takes a few minutes to starting big electrical thing like that washing machine motor. Water pump almost use 201 volt for the starting 220 20920 and see the DP 212 volts and electrical things needs a different volts for the starting. First of all, when you start pump washing machine, first of all see the main DP voltmeter how much comings votes from the Wapda. Then start everything like that LCD, washing machines, water pump, iron. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel Electric Search.